let me tell you some secrets about my champions. Well, of course, we've got a lot of the parents and children and etc. talking about them, but listen to me. Okay, let me talk about the first one, Hetal. You know, I have to say, Hetal came to me probably around 17 years ago. And she would not even look up, shy, quiet. She would only be looking down and, not even looking up. And today, Hetal, as a champion, and she's been now a champion for a couple of years for Key Stage 2, is amazing. And really, the ability to find her voice, to find her capabilities and competency. So I think it's been such an amazing, amazing story of change for my Hetal.
This place has allowed me to become more confident. I've seen my growth, okay? I did not know anything about computers, which I'm really techno savvy right now. The other thing, I've become more independent in terms of everything. First of all, I'd never traveled earlier, but this place allowed me to travel abroad as well. So now I've become very independent in that way as well.
Hi Hetal ma'am. My children started their journey at Riverside in your class, and that really is one of the best things that could have happened to them. Each time we've met you, you radiate so much warmth and energy and generosity that it's always an uplifting experience.
Okay, number 2, who do we have? My Preeti. You know, like a surgeon, you're performing some surgery and you put your hand out, okay? What happens? You have these crazy people who know exactly what you want and they put exactly the right scalpel, etc. in your hand. Preeti is that. Without anything, she will know. The other hand out, it will be a hug that will be given because you need to feel a little better, or she will be the first one who will say, "Good morning," and the whole day lights up. So that is my Preeti again.
One thing what I've learned from Riverside in these years is that there are lots of things that we do, in school, but one, that to work from moral authority. So when you do it is that when you can take people accountable. Kind of, you just don't give instructions that do this and do that, but you live. So that's what is very close to my heart, and I believe in it.
She's always been a good sounding board and listens to me whenever I need advice. I can safely say that she's one of the reasons my experience here at Riverside has been so smooth and awesome.
Then my Monisha. Okay. For the longest time, I kept calling her Moshmi or Manisha. And the reason I want to tell you this is because she was so quiet. Okay, she would sit in the library and she'll be doing the documentation in the library. She would not even correct me to say Moshmi or Manisha. I am Monisha. And today, you can't keep her quiet. She is total drama buzz. And I have not seen a more loyal, more ethical a person. I mean, she will do what is right no matter who is in front. She will say, "Agar I felt it, I will do it." And that has been this girl's amazing, amazing transformation as well.
Riverside has given me opportunities to not only grow professionally but personally, right from meeting best minds of the world to the experiences every single day. I'll say I've become a confident, fearless and a reflective person.
Monisha ma'am, she is a very different personality. She makes these tense moments lighter by adding her spice of drama. She speaks straight from her heart and is never biased. And she is a huge, huge support to the team.
Then of course, Archana. What do I tell you about Archana? For the first, I think, entire year, she kept crying and said, "I want to leave, I want to leave." I am so glad she stayed. Not only did she stay, she has lifted the Key Stage 1 into another level. She is so full of her presence. Anything you give Archana, it will be done.
I would like to thank Riverside for making this wonderful place on this earth, for transforming our lives both professionally and personally. And yes, we are looking forward for the next 20 years to have great experience with Riverside 2.0. So we are ready for it.
You are very patient with us all the time.
I say about my Ichha, the newest entrant into the Champions League? This girl is one of those combination of proactiveness, finding something by herself, making sure she will do it first. Like, the whole idea of moral authority. She will first do it. She will spend the extra hours. She will find out that huge new app that needs to be done. She will try it by herself on this online. Come excited to share about it. I am really, really glad she took it on. And today, what an amazing change that has happened in Key Stage 2.
I have become much confident now of my own self and my work, my ideas, I enjoy the process of learning now. So that's the change I would say that I have seen in my own self. Yeah, so it's a beautiful process of learning that I have learned at Riverside.
जैसे अपने हिंदी में बोलते हैं पढ़ने की चाहत होनी चाहिए, the इच्छा factor. That is where our Ichha ma'am comes into play. She becomes the wind below their wings and makes them fly higher and higher.
And finally, have to say about my Deepa. It has been such a fantastic companionship for me personally to be able to find an ally of such worth, such capabilities, such curiosity, and such ability now, of course, to do the multitasking. Deepa, of course, has been at a leadership position for a while now, but today, I have to say, the biggest gift, the biggest endorsement, the biggest validation is I don't even have to worry and get into Riverside. I've been able to step out because Deepa has stepped in.
Thank you for being the leader who really believe in us, and I'm extremely grateful for the trust you have in us. Thank you so much.
Deepa ma'am has been one person who's always been invested in children at Riverside, no matter what age, what key stage. She's always available. Deepa ma'am, thank you so much from all of us, and here's wishing all of you once again a very happy Founders Day.
I joined Riverside in the year 2006, so it's been wonderful 15 years with Riverside, and they've been the most meaningful, purposeful, fulfilling years of my life. I've forged friendships of a lifetime. I've been inspired by the best minds in the world, and I'm thankful and grateful that I've even been mentored by one. Riverside for me is really a masterpiece, a one-of-its-kind, exquisite, beautiful, where varied colors come together to form that perfect harmony and create this beautiful picture where the one and only sole purpose and the purity of intent is that of creating humane citizens for the world.
From all of us at Riverside, from the parents, from the children, from the team, to all of you champions, God bless you all. You are genuinely the Avengers, the League of Superhero Champions.